Today on What's in the Box, we are looking at springs. In the box, we have 2 rear springs, and funnily enough, 2 front springs. Now, the springs are chemically treated and also powder coated in a rather fetching shade of grey to protect from the elements, basically, from corrosion, from water, from salt, everything that they encounter on the road. The spring rates are unique to 09. They are designed to maintain as close to OE ride comfort as possible whilst still improving the handling of the vehicle. Of course, these are also lowering springs. These are Fiesta ones. The Fiesta ones lower by 20mm front and rear. The Focus ST Mark IV, these lower by 20mm on the front, 25mm on the back. The Focus RS is 10mm on the front, 15mm on the back. And the Puma is 10mm front, 10mm rear. All up here. Available now on 09Design.com.